Hello and welcome in a class. This tutorial is about how we can use cursor effects in Camtasia editor. Let's get it started, and here is the cursor effect in Camtasia on the left side of the Camtasia. What does cursor effects do? Enhance cursor in Camtasia recording, use highlight, spotlight and magnify, or add cursor smoothing. So first of all we can choose the media here, and here we use cursor path creator. So this effect is used here, and now you can see the properties of this effect, but we do not touch the properties of this cursor effect. We use here cursor smoothing, highlight, cursor spotlight and magnifier. So first of all we use cursor smoothing here, and now go to the properties panel. Now look at the area where you want to use cursor smoothing. Change, look at this is the effect, and go to the, now select the area where you want to use your cursor. So play the video and you can see how cursor works here. Now you can apply the highlight, and when you apply the highlight you can see the effect on the preview window. Now you can go to the properties panel, and here you can change the color of the highlight, opacity of the highlight, size and softness. And if you want to change the color, select this one and you can change the color easily. And if you want to change the opacity, you can change the opacity here, and you can change the scale size of the cursor effect, and you can see change the softness. Now you can look the softness of the highlight. Now play the video, look at the preview window. Now you can see here. What's the next is cursor spotlight. If you want to use cursor spotlight, you can drag and drop to the media, and now you can see, play the video and now you can see the cursor spotlight. Look at the spotlight here. Play the video, just play the video, use the cursor spotlight, and here you can see the spotlight of the cursor, and play the video. Now look at the video, you can see the cursor spotlight here. Now this is the highlight effect and the spotlight cursor effect. Now I'm using Magnify. So just drag and drop Magnify to the video, and now you can see the Magnify cursor effect on the video. Play this video so you can see the result. Just play this video, and now you can see the result of the Magnify, spotlight and highlight. So this is the effect you can use in as a cursor effect. This is the cursor effect. So this is the cursor effect you can use in your video to create a magical creation. Stay tuned with me for the next class.